You are great.
Sorry?
You are great. Great man.
No, no, actually, I am not great. The way you look at me, you are the great guy. You are
Yeah, yeah.
looking for, you are looking a positivity on me. You found positivity, a greatness into me. That means that I am not great. You are the great. That you can see a positivity, a great things.
Yeah. But
Mean
what
you are
you are
great.
doing? Yeah. But you
Sorry.
are doing. What you are doing? Great job. What you are doing? Great job. Yeah. Yeah. So you giving to all your precious time.
Yes, yes.
So this is the most important to teach everybody.
Yeah, I really enjoy talking with people to
Yes, yes,
motivate them, to give them solution that how you can overcome with your, with your English hesitations, your
yes. Yes,
procrastination toward English language,
yes, yes.
learning a particular stuff. It's very easy.
Yes. I just started 15 days ago.
Yeah. What you started?
15 days ago, I started learning English.
Mashallah, mashallah.
So,
That's nice.
but I daily practicing more to more.
Yeah, that's the main point, sir. Practice is the
Uh,
main point.
yes, yes, sir. So I watch daily your videos,
Are you
and
enjoying?
yeah, yeah, very good and very helpful and very learningful.
Yes, yes.
So very nice content in your videos.
Yes, yes. So,
Uh,
sir, Mr. Sham Sundar, do you have some suggestion related to my video that I really want to improve more to help more and more people? What do you think about that?
uh, Actually, right now you are doing appropriate, appropriate.
Appropriate, appropriate.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah, yeah. So I think this is 101%. This is hundred
yeah,
and one.
yes, yes.
No need to improvement.
Fine, fine.
You are my leader.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Mr. Sundar.
Uh,
Sundar, thank you
I,
very
I,
much.
yes, I just find you by Skype. So when I saw when I watch YouTube, watching YouTube, then I saw your video. So
Mm-hmm.
just I became interested in your video
Yeah.
by learning and helpful gesture.
Yes, 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 yes.
I am daily watching your video.
Thank you very much.
This is very helpful.
Yeah.
I am personally motivated to your video by your
Yes, yes,
video.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
yeah, yeah, this is my funda. So I am daily practicing speaking, reading, and
Mm-hmm.
writing something. But not that I can't join any coaching institute while learning speaking. What I
Wha-
want to I want to join any institute.
Yeah, you can join.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
it will help you. It will help you to,
Yes, sir.
grow, to enhance
Yeah,
your confidence.
it will help more. It will
Yes,
help more.
yes, yes.
Yeah, sir.
It will boost your
Yeah, sir.
confidence.
Yeah, sir.
At the time you speak with, sit
Yeah,
with a lots of student,
yeah,
you will be enjoyed and you will learn a lots of things in this
yeah.
class.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir. Yes, sir.
you know,
So I'm very happy to talk to you. So uh, I don't have word to praise you.
no, no,
uh,
thank you. You
you
call me. That's enough for me. That's enough. That's enough
yes,
for me that you call me. But
yes.
what's your motto? What's your motto? What's your purpose
Uh,
that you are learning English?
yes, sir. My dream is learning English and learning something new. I want
Yeah.
to new and
Yes.
every moment and every turn of life.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So I want to find just new something new in the world.
Yes,
and
yes.
I want to yes, sir. So I want to work hard to our goal. Just like I want to become a speaker in English language, and just like anchor
Just like an
without
anchor.
without any hesitation, without any stopping.
Hmm.
Yes. So this
What
is
you do?
the my dream.
What you do, Mr. Samsundar?
Uh, yes, sir.
What do you do? What's your
Yeah,
occupation?
yeah, yeah. Yes, yeah. So I am doing a job in a restaurant, hospitality industry.
Sorry, sir.
I am working in a restaurant,
Yeah,
restaurant. Yeah,
restaurant.
yeah, yeah.
Where are you
What?
calling from, sir? Mr. Sundar?
Yes, sir.
Where are you calling from? Where are you living?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Ghaziabad, UP,
Ghaziabad,
Ghaziabad.
Uttar
Yeah, yeah,
Pradesh, Ghaziabad, Ghaziabad.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
that's.
What?
So
And
what kind
all,
of a
I want only
what kind of a problem are you facing in a daily basis in your restaurant?
daily basis. Just I want English speaking is the needful, very needful. And this
Yes,
is
I
the
see.
problem. Sometimes, but many customers always speaking Hindi, but sometimes they are speaking English and
Hmm.
foreigner also. So
Yes,
this is
yes.
the problem. Yeah, and I want to achieve my next goal and next position in my
Hmm.
company. So
Yes, yes.
this is the barrier.
Yeah,
If I don't speak English, this is the barrier.
yeah. That's true.
Yeah,
That's true.
yeah,
Language barrier or
language barrier. So this is the
language barrier.
yeah, yeah, good. So nowadays, if anyone do not want to speak, and if we have any degree, many degree, what they can't achieve anything, something. But
Yeah,
if he has English speaking well, then we will go anything
yes,
in
yes.
this
You are.
world.
Yes, yes. Absolutely.
Because English is the global language.
Yeah,
So we can, if we want to go to any abroad and foreign country, then must language English. English is the must. If we don't speak, then we can't face many issues.
yeah. That's true. Look, a person have like good English knowledge. He can progress in his life quickly.
Yes, yes, yeah. This is the mantra.
Yeah, this is what happening in India nowadays. If you speak English, that people think that you are well educated,
Yeah, yeah,
you are smart. So
yeah,
you will boost your career
yeah,
quickly,
yeah.
rapidly.
Yeah. Yeah. But I think many people in India they are want to speak English, but they do not want to hard work on your goal, your
Yeah,
own goal.
yeah, yeah.
They are many people. This is the uh, sometime a kind of we can say I can't understand the word laziness is the sometime laziness in Indian.
Procrastination.
Procrastination. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
So this is that. So many people want to learn, but do not want to. Do not want to
they don't
hard
want to
work.
put their effort. They want
Yeah,
something. They want to achieve
yeah,
something, but they don't want to
yes,
put their effort.
yes, yes,
You know,
yes, yes.
they want
So
halwa. They want ready-made halwa.
yeah, yeah, this is.
Yeah, they want ready-made halwa.
Yes,
They don't
yes.
want to work hard.
Uh, yes.
Yeah, yeah,
They want ready made. Giving
yeah,
me
ready.
ready. Uh,
Yeah,
no need to hard work.
yeah. No need to hard work.
Uh, just chill on
Yeah,
parents on your on our parents money. They are want to
yes,
enjoying. enjoying
Yes.
the one enjoying, and they are not want to cover our employer, extend
Yes.
to our employer.
Yes.
They
Yes.
are
You are
not
right.
want. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So if we want to learn something, we can get anyone, anything.
Well, this is the right time for you, Mr. Shamsundar. You
Yeah.
put your
Yes, sir.
small effort, put your small effort daily basis. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And then at the end you will be, you will see yourself that you are succeed. But
Yes.
the thing is, you have to start from right now. Start from
Yes.
now and put
Yes.
your small effort daily basis.
Yes, sir.
So at the end you will achieve your goal, Mr.
Yes,
Sundar.
sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is so. Nowadays, I'm using the Bodytalk app.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the very helpful.
Yeah, that's
I talked 20 around 30 people till
mhm.
now. 30 people till now.
So what's your experience? What are people looking for?
Many people are a learner, but many people are a talker in a good communication. Many people are learner
Yeah. Yeah.
was learner. Many people was just higher of in a communication, higher communication.
Hi. So they want to polish their English only.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. They installed just chill, just for fun.
Yeah.
Many people.
Just for fun.
And many people they want to learn. They also installed the app.
Yeah.
But many people suggest to me, and also I have downloaded just before 5 days ago. 5 days
Mm,
ago.
yeah.
So I am continue to talk with the buddy app, and many
Yes.
people is good uh, on there.
Mr. Sundar, I have a plan as well to build an app where people can connect to each other and share
Yeah,
their knowledge related
yeah,
only in English. I have
yeah,
the same plan as well. I'm working on it right now, inshallah.
yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah,
working on it. Yeah, I'm working on it. So
yeah, yeah,
only, I wanted to create a platform where only people, interested people only.
yeah, yeah.
Only a keen learner, interested. That's nice. And what else are you doing, Mr. Sundar, to improve your English?
Uh, yeah, sir, can you repeat?
What else are you doing to improve your English in a daily basis?
Daily basis. I'm just learning, reading a newspaper and some story, simple word story, and some newspaper, and watching English content video, and in caption. I'm using in caption.
Yes, yes, you're doing. You are on the right track. You are on the
Yeah,
right track.
yeah, yeah. I speak.